A bag contains 12 2 rupee coins, 7 1 rupee coins and 4 half rupee coins. If 3 coins are selected at random, then the probability that sum of 3 coins is maximum. Sum of 3 coins is maximum and sum of 3 coins is minimum, and each coin is of different value. Each coin is of different value. Given total number of coins. Given total number of coins is equal to to 12 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 23. Let S be a sample space. Let S be a sample space. Here if 3 coins are selected, out of 23, that is n of s is equal to 23C3. N of s is equal to 23C3, and the first one is sum of 3 coins is maximum. Sum of 3 coins is maximum. Sum of 3 coins is maximum. Suppose two rupee coins are 12, 3 coins are selected whose sum is 6 rupees, and 1 rupee coins are selected whose sum is 3 rupees, and half rupee coins 3 are selected whose sum is 1.5 rupee. Here maximum sum we are getting from 2 rupee coins. Let capital A be an event. Let capital A be an event of getting some maximum. That implies n of A is equal to 12C3. 12C3. Therefore, P of A is equal to n of A by n of S. That is equal to 12C3 by 23C3. N of P of A is equal to n of A by n of S. That is equal to 12C3 by 23C3. And next one is sum is minimum. Sum of 3 coins is minimum. Sum of 3 coins is minimum. Let capital B be an event of getting sum is minimum. Of getting sum is minimum. That implies n of B is equal to, here the minimum is 2 rupee coins, sum is 6, 1 rupee coin sum is 7, and half rupee coin sum is 1.5 rupee. Is the minimum is 1.5 rupee coins. That is n of s is equal to 4C3. N of B is equal to 4C3. Therefore, P of B is equal to n of B by n of s. That is a 4C3 by 23C3. 4C3 by 23C3. And the third bit is each coin is of different value. Each coin is of different value. Each coin is of different value. Let C be an event of getting different value. Of getting different value. That is n of C is equal to 12C1 into 7C1 into 4C1. That is 1 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 1 half rupee coin. Therefore, P of C is equal to n of C by n of S. That is equal to 12C1 into 7C1 into 4C1 by 23C3. By 23C3.